now you can fly your DJI Mini 4 Pro in the Android apps. See how you can enter into the apps. Now in this app showing, you can touch this explore button and you can see here the virtual flight where you can fly your DJI Mini 4 Pro in your mobile itself. If you want to practice your DJI Mini 4 Pro, then you can do this in your mobile apps. See how you can fly this DJI Mini 4 Pro in your mobile apps. See. This one is for going forward, and this joystick keep you down to move backward. Move right to move rightwards and move left to move in the leftward direction. Now you can fly and practice over here, and they will give you the tasks where you can finish and you can fly anywhere in your mobile apps now. So you don't have to destroy your own drone. Now you can fly and practice over here and continue your journey to the DJI Mini World 4.